Hi learners, is glad to see you in Krishna's space. Today is the day 74 of our 300 days DSA journey. So it's time for our today's problem. Let's understand it. So today's problem is adding spaces to a string. Here we have given a zero index string called as and a zero index integer array called spaces that describes the indices in the original string where spaces will be added. So each space should be inserted before the character at the given index. For example, we have given a string as enjoy your coffee and we have given an array called spaces where the elements are 5 and 9. So when we are going to find out the characters which are present at index 5 and 9, we will get Y and C. So that means now we have to put spaces before Y and C. So now we will have a new string as enjoy space your space coffee. So we just need to return that modified string after the spaces have been added. So now let's get into the examples to understand it more better. As we can see in the example 1, we have given a string and an array called spaces where the elements are 8, 13 and 15. So when we are going to see the characters which are present at 8, 13 and 15, we will get H, M and L. So before that we are going to put spaces and the modified string will be look like as the output, which is LeetCode helps me learn. Same in example 2 as well. We have given the string and we have given the spaces, and in the output you can see we have given the modified string where the spaces are before C, I, P and T, which are the characters present at 1, 5, 7 and 9 respectively. Same in example 3 as well. We have given the string and we have given the spaces, and in the output they have given the modified string. So now let's understand how I approach this problem. So to solve this problem, what we can do, we can make our string into the list and then we are going to get the particular value from our array, which is spaces. So let's say we have taken the value 8 and now we are going to find out which character has present in our list at index 8. So we can see at 8 we have H character and now we have to modify it. So when we are updating it, we are going to put space before that character. Basically, we are going to put space before H. So now at my index 8, I will have space and H. And thereafter we are going to take the second element 13 and then again we are going to update it as space plus that particular character which is present at 13. Same for 15 as well. So this is how we are solving this problem, as you can see in my code as well. First I have created my string into the list, then I am running a loop into my spaces and getting the particular value from my space. So let's take the same example which we have just used. So here, as I said, we are going to take that particular value which is in the first run will be 8. So we are going to update the element which is present at index 8. So we are going to update it and now we are going to put space before the character which is present at the index 8. So we know in our list before updation at 8 we have H, but now we have space H. And thereafter in the second run we are going to get 13 and again we are going to update and put space before the character which is present at 13. So before we have M at the index 13 and now we have the space M. And thereafter we will get 15 and now at 15 index we have space L. So as our array has completed, now we are going to come out from this loop and now in the last we are going to return our modified list into a string. So basically now in the output you will see LeetCode, then space, helps, then space, me, then space, learn. So that's how I have solved this problem. If you guys have any other solution of it, do write it on comment, and thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.